Hello, my name's William Hugh. I'm a Welsh learner, and to that effect I'll be checking out a different Welsh word every day. Feel free to join me. And today's word is trafodaeth, which means discussion. Trafodaeth, as in trafodaeth gynhesu, heated discussion. Trafodaeth, discussion.